Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a Godzilla version of a Roblox Piggy. Now, I've heard a lot of talk about Roblox, and especially this Roblox Piggy, so I thought it'd be fun to kind of do a Godzilla twist onto it. So to start off with this, we are going to begin right about here, and we want to put a nice big circle. So I'm just going to start right here, and I'm going to make a nice circle shape for the head. And it does not have to be perfect because circles are definitely tough to draw. And if you want to, you can always go and you can get something to trace too. Now, to start off with this, we make our circle, and then I want to draw the nose in here. So I'm going to start right about here, and I'm going to make a little circle shape for the nose. Now, I want to make the inside of the nose. So I'm going to go with kind of more of like a Godzilla style nose. So I'm just going to make two little lines that go in at a diagonal. Now for the eyes, I'm going to draw the eyes up here, and we're just going to continue with that circle shape. So I'm going to draw one circle shape here. Then you want to leave some space, and you want to draw the next circle shape over here. Try to keep them close to the nose if you can. Now right in here, I'm going to add a smaller circle here, and then another smaller circle over here. And I'm just going to color this part in just to make it all black. And then I want to do the exact same thing over here. Now, starting down here, we want to make the arms. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to just draw a line that's going to curve down like this. And then I want to do the exact same thing over here. So I'm going to start right about here, and I'm just going to curve down. Then for the hands, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve to here. I'm going to make another one that curves up and goes down and just up a little bit. And then I'm going to do one more, and I'm going to curve up to here. So let's do the same thing over here. We're just going to go out a little bit. We're going to go down and up. Same thing, down and up a little bit. And one more, down, and we're going to curve up to here. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes out, and it's going to come in. And then right here, I'm going to go out and come in. Now, I want to make these arms that are closer to the hand a little bit bigger, and I want them to get skinnier as they go up. So I'm going to start out, and then I'm just going to come in just to make them a little bit wider down here and a little bit skinnier up here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down. And I'm going to do the same thing on here. It's just going to go down and in. Now for the legs, I don't want them to be super long, so I'm just going to draw two lines that are going to curve out to here. And starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out. It's going to come in. We're going to do the same thing here, just go out and then come in. Then I'm going to draw this line up, and I'm going to make this one a little bit wider, and then I'm going to draw this one up. Then I'll just make a little line across for the top. Now down here, I'm going to add a couple little curved lines, so it looks like he has some toes. And then right over here, I'm going to add a tail. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go down, and it's going to curve back into here. Now, I want to give him some of the kind of Godzilla spikes that you might see coming down here. So I'm going to start up here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out and then it's going to come back down. Make another one that's going to go out and come down. I'm going to do the same thing over here. And I'll put one more right there. Now I'm going to add a couple going down here, so I'm going to add a few more little spikes that go down. I'm going to kind of make them popping out of the side here. I'm just going to curve in. I'm going to put a few going down the tail as well. I'm going to put another spike or two on each side up here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to curve around, and then it's going to come back up to here. Then I just want to add some big smiley face lines that go right across here. We'll just put 3 of them in there. We want to give them some claws, so we'll give them some sharp claws on here. Do that on each one of these, just make some sharp claws going down. And then I'll give them some little claws on the feet too, just to mix it up a little bit. Then right across here, I'm going to add a little mouth. And I'm going to put some little teeth in here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Roblox Piggy Godzilla version. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed.